Welcome to another video, guys. Check this out. So, as you can see, we got this whole thing off. We got the brake lever off over here. That's just it's a bunch of white lithium grease that I have on there. We greased the brake lever. I oiled these cables. I used that tool with the little hose thing that goes in there. You guys can figure out, man. Didn't take me too long to search that online. Yeah, so both of these took care of that. And I think what actually was making the throttle stick was this piece. I found a lot of dirt inside of here. So yeah, I hit that with the brake cleaner and it worked okay. And then I hit it with the carb cleaner and oh shit, this is good now. So yeah, I'm just gonna let this thing kind of sit there, dry, do its thing for a few days. Then I guess I'm gonna grease up right here. You know what? I don't know if I'm gonna grease it up. I have to think about that. But yeah, this is where it was catching right here. So maybe I'll grease it up a little bit, try to reduce future friction down the line. Yeah, that's for sure about where it was catching is right here. So yeah, I just thought I'd make a video about that and let you guys know. I watched Da Vinci's video. Thank you, Da Vinci, you helped me a lot. Yeah, so it's nice that this piece right here, this plastic piece, you don't actually have to take the grip off of it, which is super nice. So I just slide that on there, and then yeah, this piece right here, it's got a little indent over there. So that's got to sit somewhere inside of a hole that is in the handlebar. Oh gosh, where's that hole? Yeah, right there. You see that? So it kind of sits there right over that hole. And then that's what holds the cable onto the handlebar. So yeah, in case you guys didn't know how to fix a sticky cable, one thing that I'm definitely tempted to do is to remove all these side covers. I don't know how easy it is to show you guys. Oh boy, I'm trying to get the right angle here. Yeah, you see by this A on the Honda, you come down a little bit right here, and there's two of them. There's a forward and a back, and the one in the rear is the one that I've undone to get that cable off. So yeah, I just gotta tighten that up. That's not too difficult. See what else to show you guys. Yeah, so at the end, it's got these little suckers. I believe to get this one out, actually was twisting the housing there. Yeah, I was actually twisting this piece to get that off. And then for this one, you can see this sucker twists, but this one it's fixed in place. So I was twisting that sucker. So you gotta get this one off and then this one. If you try to get this off first, then you're gonna have a hard time because that sucker's not gonna come off. Yeah, so it is Valentine's Day. I guess some of you guys might have seen my post in the group. But yeah, I'm also going to be tapping that headlight pretty soon. I guess I'm going to show you guys what all that looks like. Might as well. You can see I had in and out for lunch. Well, yeah, this is the install instructions for the lights that I got on Amazon. I'm not particularly impressed. This it's the same cheap waterproof switch that I have already. One thing to know about these switches is the threads that hold this fastener on, not exactly the strongest thing, and they don't work well on the bends of the handlebar, so you gotta have a straight portion. But yeah, I have this old USB connection, and the 5-volt end, basically everything from here up doesn't work. So yeah, I was gonna cut that open into pigtails and then solder a positive and a negative. And since I already have my lights hooked up, I would literally just plug this into the existing plug and yeah, just cross my fingers, right? But yeah, this is how it's working so far. I really haven't started on this. I'm deciding to just actually not even use these lights because I have a clearance issue. Yeah, I don't want to just grab a light and show you, but yeah, I guess I'm just gonna keep these lights for the next project. I have really no use for them. This is a whole bunch of extra hardware that I ended up getting. Yeah, only $30 worth of hardware. I'm not gonna use it. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what that clearance issue is, real quick. So you guys see this this sucker right here, yeah? So actually, I don't have my steering wheel. Sorry, my fork locked up a little bit. But you see, this is where it's supposed to be mounted, and any of these three spots, any of those three spots, would cause a clearance issue. And you know, it is what it is. And yeah, if I put it there, this one actually blocks the beam. So that's something to consider. I'm not sure about that. I mean, I suppose I could put it here if I put a spacer, but then if I crash, I get the same issue that I had with the previous light setup that I had. Yeah, I had the same issue with that, where I actually had those mounted right over here, sticking out to the side. And it did one time, he put the bike on the ground, and the sucker snapped off. So, yeah, I actually really like where I have the lights right now. I think it looks like shit, but you know, it's very functional, and I reckon that if I drop the bike, lights will be relatively protected over there. But yeah, you know, that's a cheap $10 Amazon light. I don't fucking care. You know, I made the mistake with my Lexus GX 460 getting really expensive lights. And in hindsight, I really wish I would have just got this cheap Amazon stuff like I did over here. Yeah, this light's been working out pretty good. It's been outdoors most of its life on this bike, so that's something to consider. There was some grease inside of here. You know, just like that other piece, I hit this one with the carb cleaner, and actually a lot of that grease that was on the outside, man, it was a lot worse. This is, if you guys don't know, this is actually just dried grease. But yeah, that's that piece is all taken care of. You guys can see, living here in Newport Beach, everything rusts. There's not a damn thing you can do about it. Yeah, that's just a reality of living here. I don't know why that sucker's there. I guess since I changed my oil from the last video, I haven't moved it. I guess we can take care of that now. But yeah, this is the bike for now, guys. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video, yeah? Ride safe, and if you guys have any questions about fixing your throttle cable, just drop them down below, and I'll try to give you the best answer I can. And guys, don't forget, I'm not like a professional mechanic. I'm just Joe Schmo in his garage. So yeah, I mean, that's not my real name, but you understand the reference there. So yeah, ride safe, and see you guys next time.